So the last class we discussed about the stack queue linked list concept. Okay, we will have a very short recap for the stack. Inserting a data into the stack is called as a push, and deleting a data stack top. Okay, and the top of the stack, that is called as top or P. Okay, the last element which we inserted into the stack is called as top or P. Okay, and the stack is works on LIFO principle, that is last in first out principle. Okay, so for the queuing, somebody is Ajit, I mute you. Okay, okay, the queue is working on the FIFO principle, that is first in first out. So the inserting an element into the queue, that is called as NQ, and removing an element from the queue is called as DQ. Okay, the always the insertion should be happen in the rear end. Okay, always the deletion should be happen in the queue is called front end. Okay, this is the concept in the queue. And link list, next concept is linked list. In the linked list, the memory allocation, the memory location of the element is called as node. Okay, so for example, 5 elements are there, means 5 nodes, we have to say it is a 5 nodes. Okay, the node having 2 parts, one is info part, another one is link part. Okay, the info part stores the data which we are storing, the value it stores. Info part stores the value, that is the element it will stores. Okay, and the link hold the address of the next memory allocation, or next node memory address is stored in the part of link in the previous node. Okay, and we have seen the two type of linked list, singly linked list and doubly linked list. In the singly linked list, it only stores the next element. Okay, next element memory address, that's what I'm saying. In the singly linked list also it is contain the info part and link part. In singly linked list, the link part holds the next memory address. Okay, for example, the last node will point because there is no next element. No, that's what it holds the null address. Okay, there is a null is a value. Okay, and next one, doubly linked list. What is the difference? Means it will hold. I mean, the link part hold the both memory address, the previous element memory address also, and the next element memory address also. It will hold. That is the difference between the singly linked list and doubly linked list. Okay, it's fine. Let me go to the next concept. Tree we already discussed. Okay, tree is one of the data structure. It is in the, we have to top of the tree is called as root, bottom of the bottom node is called as leaves. Okay, topmost node is called as root, bottommost node is called as leaves. Okay, so it can holds the memory address of the below node. For example, a b is there, means a will hold the belowing, and which is the next element, that memory address also it will hold. Could you understand this one tree concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, okay, let me enter to the next topic. This and all we discussed in the yesterday's class. Okay, and these are all the operations also we are going to discuss: insertion, deletion, searching an element, traversing, and sorting. Okay, this also we discussed yesterday. And merging, I forgot it. Okay, this concept we are going to see. And linear search, we have seen this formula also yesterday. Okay, if you want to find the size of the list, means upper bound minus lower bound plus 1, this is the formula. Okay, to calculate the size of the linear list. Okay, and now we are going into the today's topic, that is searching. Okay, in the searching there are two type of search are there: linear search and binary search. Okay, I think in the recursion concept we already discussed the same concept. Once again we will have a very short recap regarding that. Okay, so searching, two type of searchings are there: linear search and binary search. Okay, what is linear search? Means we are doing the search in linear list, and moreover we are searching one by one element. What is linear search means? You can see the things. You can see I'm reading this. Each element of the linear list is compared with the given item to be searched one by one. For example, if I want one list is there. Okay, a list contains 5 elements. I want to search an element, means that element I want to search, whether first element is there, or else second element is there, or third or fourth. Likewise, I want to compare with the 5 elements. Okay, if the item is found, the element is found in the equal to the element, means then the search is successful. That is, we found the element. Likewise, we can print a statement. Okay, That type of search, searching one by one element from 0 to till the last of the list. That type of search is called as linear search. Okay, you can see. And second point, for linear search, there is no necessity the data to be sorted. Okay, sorted means we no need to arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. It is not required in the linear search. Then you may have the one question is arranged. So where it is required, sir, then binary search, the type of arranging, that is a sorting is required for binary search. But linear search, this is a differentiation also. Okay, linear search, search an element, searchable element one by one. Okay, it will check with the, or it will compare with the first element, second element, third, likewise it is goes on till the end of the search. Okay, so that means what, the for loop want to execute that much time. Have you understand linear search? Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yesterday did we discuss this concept? Hello?
Sir, we discussed linear list, sir.
Yeah, okay. So now we are going to see about the linear searching. Okay, and second point is there is no necessary for arrange an element. And third point, you can see the linear search is suitable only for the small list. Okay, small list means if a list contains 5 elements, 10 elements means it is okay, or 15 it's okay. Okay, more than 20 means it will not be fine, because that much time what the loop want to execute. No, for example, if a list contains 100 elements or 50 elements means what will happen, the loop want to execute 50 times in order to find. Suppose the element in the first place itself, our searchable element is there means okay. Suppose if it is in the 50th position, that is 49th position means index means the loop want to execute 50 times. No, have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for that the time taken also it will be more. For example, each time, for example, a loop want to execute one time, it want to completely search all the one by one element means it will take certain nanoseconds. Okay, but we are not able to see the type of time calculation. But even though whenever the program is more, it will take certain time. That's what we are saying Python is little bit slower compared to the C++ or Java or some other language, programming language. Okay, that is one of the drawback. So we need to be the efficiency of the program. One chapter was there in the last year, that is 7th chapter, but this year it was omitted for this year alone. Okay, so that is one important chapter. In that chapter, what is the discussing means how to create or how to write a program in very efficient way or very less timing way, very less number of codes. Okay, writing the codes 100 lines, it is not a matter. Okay, 100-line code, if you are able to minimize for 20 lines means that is efficiency of the program. But the quality of the result also want to speak. Okay, the both the things we want to check it, quality of the program as well as number of lines. Okay, for example, the loop will execute, loop will reduce the code, but what is the thing, every time the loop want to execute, no, so it will take more time to search it. Okay, that is called as the linear search. That is a problem in the linear search. So that's what in the third point they are saying, it is suitable for only the small list. Okay, that's for example 5 elements or 10, maximum 20. That is also more than, because 20 times means it is wasting time. Okay, 5 to 10 elements means it will be fine. Okay, and now we are going to see about the 3 type of cases. Okay, average case, worst case, best case. That is I am saying the reverse order. That is a best case, worst case, and average case. What does this means? For example, one list is there. Suppose our searchable element. Okay, I will tell one example. The list contain the elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, the 5 elements are there. Okay, suppose our searchable element is 10 means how many times we need to execute the loop? Can you say?
One time.
One time, first time itself we will get that element. No, that is the best case. Okay, suppose the searchable element in the first position itself means that is best, because we get the result very quickly now. For that purpose we are saying it is a best case. Okay, suppose worst case means we want to search, let me consider it is a 50 elements are there in the list. Okay, but our searchable element is in this, unfortunately it is the 50th element, that is the last element. Okay, then even though the loop wants to check first, second, third, fourth, likewise it is goes, no, it will go till 49, 48, then 49th index it found the element. So that type of case is called worst case. Okay, and average case means suppose the element is falls on the middle. For example, totally 50 elements are there means, for our example, the elements is falls on 20 to 30. Okay, greater than 20th index and less than 30th index, that is middle, no? So if you are getting the middle range, that is average. Okay, like this we can say it. Have you understand the three type of cases? Best case, worst case, and average case. Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Satish, why you are late? Satish, I think he joined, but he is
Yes,
late.
sir.
Okay. Today attendance is too poor. I think many of them are absent. Okay. It will be okay. But only one member has informed me. That is Krishna Prasad. Yesterday he messaged me. Okay. Rest of thing I don't know. What about that? Okay. Let me go into that. For example, the such case and all you understood. Okay. Let me go to the next concept. Okay. You can see this linear search function. That is, now we are going to search about how to do the linear search. Okay, Satish, it was loading for a long time. Okay, you just ready for that for tomorrow class and all 8:55. You just keep the mobile to be ready, not only for him, for everyone. Okay, make availability of the signal enabled your mobile or battery charge, everything. You just check it. Then 8:59, definitely I will post that. Exactly, you can see 9 o'clock. Sometimes only it will delay is happening. Okay, not an issue. Let me go ahead. Okay, listen, Satish. Rest of the students also. Okay, this is the program, or this is the basic program to search how to search by using the linear search. Okay, I said two type of search. This is a linear search program or function. Okay, directly we will deal with the program. Okay, instead of the syntax. Okay, you can see this is the program. I will minimize it. Let me start about the program, main program. ARR. What is ARR? Can you say? What is this?
Array.
It is array. ARR means array. Is it array concept is there in Python? What is
No,
ARR?
sir.
Then what is
Empty
here?
list, sir.
List, sir.
It is the empty list,
Empty list,
correct?
sir.
No, so it is a empty list. ARR is a empty list. Okay. Now we are getting the input. How many elements you want to add into the list? Okay, that is we are getting in n. The for loop we are construct. The for loop will execute n times. Suppose I entered 5 means the loop will execute 5 times. 10 means 10 times the loop will execute in order to get the element from the user. Okay. So you can see inside the loop d equal to int of input of we are getting the value. So the value will be added and that is stored in D. Later we are appending with the ARR. Okay, that is the concept. So one by one element, likewise by using the loop, we are adding one by one element into the empty list, that is called ARR. Now the ARR may contain the n number of list elements. Have you understand this one? This is basic, no?
Yes, sir.
And next one, key equal to we are getting enter the value to search, that is searchable value we are getting, that will be stored in the variable key. Okay, now we can see, oh sorry, we can see POS, that is position equal to linear search of ARR comma key. Can you, anyone can say this statement? What is this? Anyone of you can you say that? What does that's the meaning? What is POS equal to linear search of ARR comma key? You already
Searching the elements, sir. Key element.
okay. What is linear search? What is the meaning of linear search?
From the first to last, sir. Orderly.
No. Can't you find it is a function? It's a call statement. Can't you find it? Isn't it? Correct? No, it is a
Yes,
function. No, can you
yes,
understand that? Linear search,
yes,
we
sir.
are passing two arguments. Isn't it? It's a call statement, function call statement. We are making it. Linear search is a function name, and the function in the function we are passing two arguments. What are the arguments? ARR and key. What is ARR? It is a list. Key is a searchable element. Okay, which we want to search in the list. Okay, isn't it? We are making the call statement. Then function is defined at the top of the thing. You can see. Sorry, you can see def linear search. Here the ARR will be passed to my list. Okay, the ARR, the list will be passed to the parameter my list, and key is a variable that is passed to the variable that is parameter item. Okay, now you can see n equal to len of my list. Okay, it will find the len of the my list, that is n, because in order to loop want to execute n times. 5 elements means the loop want to search one by one? No. Suppose our searchable element in the fifth position means first it want to search second element, third, fourth, like this. It want to search all the elements. Okay. That for that we are constructing the loop. Okay. Now you can see if item equal to item is searchable element. Okay. Equal to, that is double equal to, we are comparing double equal to my list of I. First, what is the thing? For example, you can see they entered how many elements in the output screen. You can see this. Enter how many elements in the list? 5 elements. They entered the 5 element also, 10, 5, 11, 28 for our example. These are all the 5 elements. Enter value want to search. The searchable element is 20. Okay. Now it want to result. How it will return the result? Let me see that. Now what is the thing? 5 means the loop will execute 5 times. What are the value may be assigned to the I? 0, 1, 2 and sorry 2, 3 and 4, isn't it? So now I
Yes,
value will be 0. You can see our searchable element is, that is item is what we enter, 20. Okay. 20 equal to my list of I, my list of 0. My list of 0 is what? First, what is the first element? 10.
10.
20 equal to 20. It is true. Condition is true.
No, sir.
False. Then what will happen if it is false? Means again the loop is not completed. No. Then I value will be increased. Now I value will be 1. Okay. 20 equal to my list of 1. My list of 1 is what? 5. 20 equal to 5. Condition false.
No,
Okay.
false, sir.
Again the loop will be iterated. Then again 20 equal to 11. Condition false. Again it will check condition. Now I value will be, what is the thing? 3. Isn't it? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then if 20 equal to my list of 3. What is my list of 3? My list of 0 is 10. My list of 1 is 5. My list of 2 is 11. My list of 3 is 20. 20
20.
equal to 20. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
Condition true. Condition true means what will happen? Return I. What is I value? 3. Isn't it? So return 3. The function will return the value 3. That's all. Once the function is made the return statement, after the statement will not execute. That we studied in the third chapter itself. Can you recall that? It have 2 return statement, but it is in the what? One is in if condition, another one is in the normal function. Okay. Once the condition is true means it will return the value. Once the return statement is executed, rest of the statement in the function will not execute. Okay. It will return I. Okay. What is I value? 3. So the 3 will be passed to here. One variable is there to receive the value. Okay. The function is returning I. No. The I value will be passed to POS, that is a variable. Okay, the position value will receive it. Okay, now you can see this. Come to the main program. Sorry, you can see if position not equal to null. What is position value? What is position value?
3.
3. 3 not equal to null. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
Condition true. Okay. So if it is condition true means what will happen? The print statement will print. What is the print statement? Found at position. Position plus 1. What is position value? 3. 3 plus 1, 4
3.
will print.
4.
Okay. Because 20th is the fourth element. As per index it is 3, but as per the element the position that is 4. No, you can see fourth element only we entered 20. That's what we are adding the 1. Have you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let
Yes,
me
sir.
come to, for
Understood, sir.
example, you can see the next next example also, the searchable element. You can see in the last. Okay, they enter value to search. Suppose they entered 100. Okay, so let me see this loop. 100 equal to my list of 0, my list of 1, 2, 3, like this. It will search all the elements. The loop will execute. So the condition is not true. No, then what will happen? Return none. It will return none. None means it's the, what is none? Can you say?
Nothing.
Nothing. What is none in our
Will
file?
not return anything, sir.
No, not like that. Return anything means why we are making the return statement. None is what type of data, or what is the none? In first chapter we discussed. None is a special literal. Types of literal we have discussed. No, integer literal, constant literal, float literal, likewise. Have you studied? I asked the question also in the exam. Have you recall it? Types of literals. It is a none is a special literal. So that as you said, it will carry none. It won't carry either 0 or not. It is a empty. Okay. So that's what it is a none. Okay, correct. But none is a special literal. It is a keyword. You can see none. N should be in capital. Have you heard this or not? The first chapter we discussed now. Can you able to
Yes, sir.
understand? Yeah, that's what.
Yes.
Okay, now, yeah, now for example, if none of the element is match means then it will return none. So you can see the condition if you can see this. If position not equal to none means this will execute. Suppose position is some other thing means not found. That value will be not found. That value will be printed. That print statement will be printed. Or else we can customize that. The element searchable element is not found in the list. Likewise, we can create it. This is called linear search. This type of search is called linear search. How we are searching? We are searching one by one element. Okay, I of my list of 0, my list of 1, my list of 2. Likewise, we are searching one by one element in the list. This is called as linear search. This is a normal one. Okay, now we are entering into the next one. This is a very important concept that is called binary searching. Okay, the binary searching concept we might study in the recursion. Recursion, I taught you. I think initial of the in between we are about to complete the chapter, but unfortunately it was omitted by the CBSE for this year. Okay. Anyhow, I will teach it again. Binary search is another method. Okay. What is the principle for binary search? For example, stack principle is what? LIFO, last in first out. Q principle is what? What is Q principle?
First in, first
FIFO.
out.
Before, okay, but likewise the binary search principle is divide and rule. Okay, how it is divide and rule means this binary search is applicable for maximum useful for n number of elements, more number of elements. If it is a very small list means, as we discussed, we can do the linear search. That is the best one. Okay, but whenever the list element is more, for example, your list contain in your database, you are doing the project now. Suppose your list contain 100 elements, okay, or 1000 elements are there. Then if you are doing the linear search means it will take a long time in order to find a single element. Okay, it consumes more memory and time also waste. That is a not a good program. Okay, that time we have to use the binary search. Okay, this is another one method to search an element in a big list. Okay, this is very apted for you now in this time because you are doing project. Whenever you want to search from a big database, use the binary search. Okay, so this is a concept. Okay, divide and rule means what will happen? The binary search will divide the list into two equal halves. Okay, first half and second half. Okay, for example, based on the condition, let me say, for example, but what is the main condition means? You can see the first concept, first point, the data must be sorted. You can see this either in ascending order or descending order. That is not a problem, but it should be sorted. Data should be sorted. Okay, first we need to sort the data. Is it any function is there to sort the data? Can you say that?
Bubble sort. Sir, bubble slot.
Bubble sort, insertion sort is a sorting algorithm. I'm asking, we want to write that much of program to sort it. I'm asking whether it is inbuilt,
No, sir.
built-in
One function
functions
is
are
there.
there. What is that one function?
Sort function.
Sort only, sir.
Very nice, man, because I said the word. For sorting any function is there, you people are thinking a lot. There is, we can see sort function means sort. Okay, very simple. Sort function is there. What is the syntax for that? Okay, I will tell that we can do the two type of sorting by using the sort function. Okay, what is the thing? List name dot sort. That is function parenthesis. Okay, if you are using means then the list will be get sorted. If I want to sort in descending order means list name dot sort inside the parenthesis. We need to pass an argument, that is keyword argument. What is the thing?
Reverse is equal to true.
Very nice, very nicely you said. Reverse equal to true. If you give means, then what will happen? The list will be sorted in descending order. This is the concept. Okay. So by using the sort function, of course, what you are saying, we can use the bubble sort or either bubble sort or insertion sort. Bubble sort is not suited because, as you know, the bubbles are only suited for less number of elements. So of course, we need to big list means we need to go for the insertion sort, but it will also take more time. That is algorithm. Okay, algorithm means how to sort in two types. Many sorts are there that we discussed. Keep sort, quick sort, merge sort, likewise types of sorts are there. But as per our syllabus, we have two sorts. One is bubble sort, another one is insertion sort. Okay, but it is it will take a long time. Let we use the default built-in function. Okay, that is sort function in the list. Okay, Let me go ahead. So first we have to sort by using the sort function. Okay. Now the data is sorted means next what we'll do, no? What is the next step means the binary search, it will divide the thing into two equal halves. Okay. Divide the list. For example, it will not segregate the two lists, only one list, but it will, for internally, it will divide into two equal halves. For example, 100 elements are there means first 50 will be the first part. Second 51 to 100 element will be the second part. Okay, that will likewise it will divide it. What is the use of the divide, sir? If you are asking, means very simple. For example, let me take the element is, I mean the all the elements in the list is sorted in ascending order. Okay, how the value will be? Ascending order means what is the thing? Can you say how the value will be stored or sorted in the list?
Sir, from smaller values to higher values.
Very good, very good. For example, whatever element we are giving from smaller to higher, it will be sorted. Okay, let me come to the point. What is the how to segregate, sir? How it will divide, sir? This by using this formula. You can see this mid equal to lower index. That is lower index means of course it is 0. Okay, lower index plus higher index. What is the higher index? Last index. Okay, so for that we need to len of the list. In order to know the length higher index, we need to know the len of the list. Len of the list minus 1. Okay, if we get means higher index, we will get it. Okay, that is 0 plus higher index divided by 2. Actually it is wrong. We should do with the double slash. That is the floor division we have to do. Let me tell one example. Suppose 100 elements are there. Okay, how to do this according to this formula? Lower index is what? 100 elements are there means what is the lower index? 0. What is the higher index? What is the higher index? I said 100 elements are there. What is the higher index?
99.
Very nice, very nice. 99 is the higher index. Okay, now we can see 0 plus 99, 99. 99 divided by 2, what will be the value? 99 divided by 2. We will get what? What we will get? 49.5, isn't it? Correct, no? 49.5 we will get it. So we should not do
Yes,
the
sir.
division. Actually, we should do the floor division. Floor division means instead of one slash we are using, no, I'm keeping the cursor here. Okay, like this you should put another one slash, that is called floor division. In first chapter it was there. Okay, so floor division, what is the use of floor division? Means it will divide and it will give the result as the lowest index, lowest integer value. Lowest integer value. For example, 49.5, which is the lower index, lowest integer value in that. 49 will be the lowest index. Correct, no? Have you understand? If you are using the, either we can do the floor division or else what we can do, 49.5, we can convert into the integer by using the int function or int constructor. Int of lower index of, that is this formula divided by 2 means 49.2 will become, 49.5 will come. Then integer, whenever we are converting into integer, 49 will be there. Okay, either we have to use this value, but instead of we can do the floor division. Okay, so now what is the value? 49 will be the middle value, isn't it? So first it will check. What is the first check means? It will check the whether it is equal to the middle value or not. What is the middle value? For example, for our case, the the list name is my list means my list of 49 equal to, for example, 100 elements are there means I'm saying, okay, my list of 14 equal to middle value, it will check. Okay, if it is equal means that's all, it will find the element, same element. Okay, suppose if it is less than 49, less than the middle value, because it is arranged in ascending order, no. For example, my list of middle value is less than means what will happen? The search only in the first part, because it is less than the middle value, no. Have you understand my point of view?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For example, 1,
Yes,
2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Okay, let me assume the list 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, 10 is there. Middle value. What is the thing? 10 values are. What is the middle value? Hello. 10 elements are there in the list.
5.
5. Is it correct? No. What is the minimum?
5.5.
Oh my God. You people, what is the formula? Lowest index is what? 0. What is the highest
0.
index? What is the highest index? Higher index.
9.
9. So
9.
0 plus 9, 9. 9 divided by 2. That is 9 floor divided by 2. Floor division
4.5.
4.5. So if you floor division by 2, I am asking, then it is what? 4 only, no?
4.
Yeah. Now what is the fourth value? Fourth index is what? It is arranged in the 1, 2, 3 up to 10 is arranged in an ascending order. So 1, 2, 3 likewise it is there. Which is the fourth element? 5 will be the fourth element. Am I right? Correct, no? 5 will
Yes.
be the fourth element.
Yes.
Okay. So suppose I am searchable element is equal to 5. If it is 5 I want to search means it is found in the middle value. That is middle list of my list is list name is my list of middle value. That is 4 equal to 5. It is required search is okay. Suppose it is less than middle value. Suppose I want to search number 2 in the list. Okay. What is the middle value? My list of 4. What is my list of 4 value? 5. 5 is less than 2 is less than 5. Condition true. Then it will only search in the first half. If it is the middle value, the searchable element is, I will tell very clearly, the searchable element is greater than middle value means it will search in the right hand side. That is after the middle value. After the 5, 6, 7 like this it will search. Okay. Suppose if it is lesser than the middle value means it will search in the first half. Have you understand this? This is called
Yes, sir.
divide and rule. We are dividing and based on the condition we are searching it. Okay, that is the concept. Let me conclude this session. Okay, you can see this. If the middle value is equal to the search is search successful. That's what I said, that if the middle value is larger than means it will take this that side. If it is lesser than means it will take the right side. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, and this is the program. I mean a basic program for that. Let me directly discuss into the program itself. Okay. So this is a let me discuss this program. 1 minute, I will zoom it. Okay, we will discuss this program in the second half. The time is about to complete it. Let you join in the second session also. Okay, immediately join it. The meeting is about to complete it. All the members are accepted to join it immediately. Just look this program. You can understand from this here itself. Okay, let me start it. This is a program for binary search. Okay, binary search program. Let me start from this session onwards. ARR is there. 1 minute. I will zoom it. Is it the visible? The screen is visible to you? That is. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Fine.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let you see AR is a empty list. As you know that what we discussed in the linear list, it is the same thing. Sorry, linear search. It is also same thing. Okay, now we are getting the n number of value that we want to add it. Now printing, enter the value in ascending order. Suppose we didn't give means it is optional. The user may enter in whatever way, but we need to add one more thing. What is the thing? The list name. What is the list name? ARR dot sort. Sort function. If you use means then the list will be get sorted in ascending order. So not an issue. Then what is the thing? By using the for loop, we are getting the value. Okay. So that will be appended. Once we appended, we need to do the sort. Not inside the for loop, outside the for loop. Okay. Outside the for loop, we need to do the sort. Okay. The sort in ascending order. Or if you want to do in the descending order also, you can do it. Nothing wrong. Okay. Let me see. Key equal to int of input of enter the element to search. That is searchable element we are getting. As usual, we are getting in the variable key. Okay. PO is equal to B search of ARR comma key. Okay, B search is what? What is B search?
Call
Function name. Yeah, this entire statement is called as call function. Very good call statement. And ARR and key are both are arguments. Okay. Now we will come to the binary search. Let me come this side part. Okay, that left hand side for you. B search of my list comma item. So the ARR value will be, that is a list will be transformed into the parameter, transferred into the parameter my list. Okay, the key value will be assigned to the item. Okay, now we come to the things. Low equal to, this is very important, just understand very carefully. Low equal to 0. Okay, high equal to len of my list minus 1. That is lowest index. For the lowest index is 0. As usual, you know that. Okay, high equal to len of my list. What is the len of my list? Suppose I entered five elements into the list. What will be the length? 5, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
For example, but length is different, but index is different. No, high is a variable want to store the upper bound, that is higher index. That is a formula we have seen. No, lower index. What is the thing? Plus higher index modulo division by. You can see this low plus high. That is lower index plus higher index floor division, not modulo division. Sorry, floor divided by 2. That is the concept. No, let me see this. So -1 we get means we will get the, for example, as you said, 100 elements are there means what is the highest index? 99 is the highest index. Okay, that's what we are minusing. We are reducing 1. That will be stored in the high. Okay, let me see in our example itself. How many elements you want to enter? 5. Okay, so they enter the element 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, they enter the searchable. That is different one. Okay, let me see this. Now, what is the len of the list? For example, here in this case, 8 elements are there. 8 elements are there means what is the len of the list? High value is what?
8.
Yeah, len of the list
8.
is 8. What is the high value? 7. You got it, no? Index. High value is index, maximum index. 8 elements
7,
are
sir.
there means there is 7 only the
7, sir.
maximum index. No, because index will start from 0. Okay, let me see this. Now you can see while low less than equal to high. What is low? 0 less than or equal to high. What is the high value? 7 for our case. In this case I am saying. Okay, so 7 is the maximum index. Condition is true or false? 0 less than or equal to 7. Condition true or false? So
True, sir.
true. Condition true. Then what is the thing? Middle equal to, it is a variable. Mid equal to low plus high. What is low value? Again 0 plus high. What is high value?
7.
7.
7,
0
sir.
plus 7. 0
So
plus
3.
7. Oh my god, 0 plus 7 is 3. Yeah.
Sir, I mean 7 divided
Very
by 2.
correct, correct, correct. That is totally 7. 7 floor division by 2. We will get the 3.5. That is 3. Okay, if we are doing the floor division, as you said, middle value is 3. Okay, now you can search it. Give my list of 3. What is my list of 3? What is the third element we entered? You can
12.
see my list. Listen very carefully. Index my list of 3 I am asking.
15, sir.
15. Okay, let you see the searchable element they entered is 15. Now you see in this case. So 50, my list of 3 is 15. The item also 15. Suppose if it is means return mid. What is mid? 3 is the mid. Am I right? Mid value is 3, no? So it will return the 3 to the function. That is the main function. Okay, now you can see if position equal to -1 means search not found. Else the item found at the position plus 1. What is position? The mid value will be stored to POS, no? So POS plus 1 means 4. The item found in the position 4. It will return the answer. Have you understand? Have you understood? Can you see this output?
Yes, sir.
You got it,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay, suppose let me take, suppose I want to search the number 21. You can see the value 21, no, next to the 15. Is which element? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth element, isn't it? So fifth element, what is the index? 4. Index is 4, element is 5. Okay, fifth element, that is 21. Suppose I want to search the number 21, whether it is present in which position in the list. If I want to search means, let me take this same example. You can see this. Low value is 0, high value is what? Same, 7. Condition true, then mid value is 3. Okay, so it is not, mid value is 15. 15 equal to 21. Condition true? Is it condition true?
No, sir.
Condition false. Then what will happen? Elif is there. Okay, another one condition. My list of mid. What is my list of mid? My list of 3. What is my list of 3 again? 15, isn't it? 15 greater than item. What is item value? Searchable item is what? 21. Am I right? For example, I am saying,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So you can see 15 greater than 21. Condition true or false?
False.
False. Then elif also will not execute. Then else part. What is the else part? Low equal to mid plus 1. Now what is the new low value? Middle plus 1. What is the mid value? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So now low value is what? 4. So we
4.
understand? Yeah, now the loop is not completed. Again, you can see this. 4 less than or equal to high. High value is 7, no? So 4 less than or equal to 7. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
True. Then middle equal to low plus high. What is low value? That is new low value 4 plus high value is what? 7. 7 plus 4, what is the value? 11. 11 floor division by 2. We will get 5. Am I right? 5.5, that is floor division means 5 we will get. So middle value is 5. So if my list of mid, what is my list of mid? My list of 5. Okay, equal to item. What is item? 21 is our searchable item. Okay. What is the middle list of, my list of 5, which is the 50th element? You can see my list of 0 is 4. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Am I right? It is 5, no? Correct? Can you say it or
Yes,
not?
sir.
My list of 5 is
Yes,
which,
sir.
what element is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30. Correct? No? My list of 5 is what? 30.
Yes.
30, sir.
30.
Yeah. Now you can see my list of 5, that is 30 equal to 21. Condition false. Then else, if. Okay. My list of mid, that is again 30 greater than item. Item is 21. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
True. Condition true. Then what will happen? High equal to mid minus 1. What is high value already? 7. Am I right?
7.
7 equal to middle minus 1. What is what is mid value now?
5.
5. 5 minus 1, 4. Now what is the high value? High value is 4. Okay. Then the loop again it will execute. Okay. What is the thing? What is the low value? First value is what? 4. Previously that only we stored no mid plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4 we stored no. 4 less than or equal to, now high value also 4, no, less than or equal to, it is not less than but it is equal to. Okay, so condition true. Condition true means again it will calculate the new middle value. Mid equal to low plus high. What is low value? 4 plus high value is what?
7.
Hey, high value is now we calculated, no, high equal to middle minus 1. 5 minus 1,
4.
4, sir. 4,
4.
4.
So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 floor division by 2, that is we get the 4. Now mid value is what? Mid value also 4. Now low value also 4, high value also 4, mid value also 4. Now you can check if my list of 4. What is my list of 4? Let you check it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the thing? 21, isn't it?
21.
So you can see 21 equal to item. What is searchable item? Suppose our item is 21. No. So it is condition true. Condition true means it will return the value to the main function. Have you understand? So how many times so far the loop is executed? Can you understand? 3 times. First time mid value was 3. Second time mid value was 5. Third time mid value was 4. So
4.
suppose, can you, how this, I'm telling that how this binary search is useful or very efficient means you can, now you can understand that. So the loop is so far we executed what? Just 3 times only, but we found the answer. Actually, if it is doing in the linear search means, suppose I want to find the 21 by using the linear search. Linear search means what? 1 by 1. How much time the loop will execute? 1, 2, then 12 is third time, 14 is, 15, 21. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times the loop want to execute. Isn't it? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
But in binary search, we then we get
3
it
times.
3 times itself. In the third time itself, we got the answer. Isn't it? So we by seeing this, it is easy. But whenever we are going for a very lengthy, 100 elements are there means binary search is very efficient. It will easily find the element. That is called divide and rule. If it is greater than means it will search in one side. If it is less than means it will search in another side. Okay, that's the concept. Have you understand? This is the main program. Definitely this program will come in and board practical. Okay, so that's what this binary search and linear search, both the search. In Viva was, without this they won't complete the Viva was. That is in the practical time, definitely they will ask the question. What is search? What are the types of search? Explain that, like this they will ask the question external. Okay, then you have to say what 2 type of search, linear search and binary search are there. What is the linear search? What is binary search? Especially this one, I will show that. You can see this is the basic formula for that. Okay, basic program in order to find it. Yeah, yeah, I will zoom it, man. I will zoom it out. I cannot understand. I think shall I want to reduce or increase, Tiram? Zoom it out now. I will just minus reduce it. 1 minute. I will reduce the zoom size. Which slide, Bob? Which slide you want? Reduce? Yeah, sorry. I will reduce it. Which slide? This one or next one? Is coming in chat. This one or next slide? Next slide. Okay, good. Yeah, I will keep it. If you want to take the screenshot, also take it. I will post in our material also. That is in our website also. I will post the content immediately. Okay. Once one by one, I am immediately posting. Once I complete the slide means immediately I will post it. Okay. You can get it also. Not an issue. Which you told important. Of course, correct only. What you are taking is correct only, Sriram. That is for rest of the students also. Why I am reading your comment means the rest of the students also want to understand. You can also take the screenshot, because if you want to execute, no. So for that you just take the screenshot. Later you can type it, write in a note, and just train your mobile or PC. Okay, that is better. Always I am recommending. This is not right time to say that, but anyhow, you buy one PC, any one laptop or any good condition. If you having already means not an issue. If you don't have means, you please buy it immediately. Okay. Just to think about it. I'm not forcing you, because this is a pandemic time. Think about the family. Then, if you can able to buy means, buy it better. Okay, that's what. Minimum before buying it, better you just get one clarification from me, because the RAM size should be 4 minimum. You just buy Intel i3 processor, and Windows 10 you install it. Windows 10 64-bit operating system. If you plan to buy means, better you ask me. Okay, because the configuration that want to match with our software which we are using it, Python as well as SQL. Okay, so if you are buying a very less computer in second hand means, you have to very careful about that. Okay, students, I think we done it today. We done with the again we have a short recap of the data structure, and we have typed the two type of searching algorithm we have seen: linear search as well as the binary search. Okay, rest of the concept we will discuss in tomorrow. Okay, good. Okay, students, very nice. See you to all in next class. Hello, are you hearing?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.